Confidence Petroleum. This is the name of an emerging small cap petroleum company whose business is expanding quite aggressively, and it has given more than 28% return in last 3 weeks. So definitely it deserves a complete analysis, which I'm going to do in this video. So I'll start with the fundamentals and then move towards the price action like always, and by the end of this video you will get to know if this is a company which you should consider as an investment or not, and if yes, is this the right time to make an entry or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of Confidence Petroleum. You can see some highlighting points about this company: 15 cylinder manufacturing plant, 620 plus road vehicles and tankers, 68 plus bottling plants, 2000 plus LPG dealer network, 250 plus LPG auto dispensary system, and 35 plus CNG stations. So seems like it's a very good spread out business, right? Now let's go and check the fundamental numbers and ratios. Okay, so this is Confidence Petroleum and let's first look at its clients and clientele. Okay, so coming down to this place, okay, we can see its clients name. Okay, IOCL, Indian Oil, HPCL, BPCL, these are the major petroleum companies which are its clients already. Okay, and other clients include Tata, Kirloskar, Bajaj, Volvo and Haldiram, etc. Okay, so it has a decent client base, right? So considering the size of the company of market cap just under 3000, around 3000, so the client base is looking solid. Okay, now we'll take a look at the important numbers by going to the peer comparison section. Okay, so here we are not going to compare with the peers this time because it is coming under miscellaneous industries here. So we are just going to do the standalone analysis of Confidence Petroleum. Okay, so the current market price is 111.46 with a market cap of 3222 crores. It has a reserve of 852 crore and a debt of 445 crore. That's why the debt to equity ratio is 0.5. So the 0.5 debt to equity ratio is good. It's not great or excellent, but it's good. Okay, now coming to 3 years average growth rate, sales growth rate 27%, 3 years average profit growth 21%, and earning per share growth 19.51%. so this is a good number. Okay, and also 3 years average return on assets 7.75 and return on capital employed 13.94. well, ROC is good. ROA is kind of on the lower side, but in petroleum industries we cannot expect high growth rate like IT companies or other industries. Okay, now interest coverage ratio is 3.92. okay, this is slightly on the lower side. If it would have been more than 5, it would have been great, but it's not bad. Okay, and current ratio of 1.23 is an average number. More than 1.5 is a good, but 1.23 is kind of average. Okay, operating profit margin is 11.63 and promoter holding is 61.63%, which is a good number. Altman Z score is 5.71, which is an average number. Okay, now pledging percentage is 5.51. so it has small pledging, but it is under 10%, so it is acceptable. If it would have been more than 10%, then it's a red flag, and we would have to check other factors also. Now coming to the most important factor which is responsible for the growth of a stock, that is the year on year profit loss earning per share growth. Okay, so let's start from March 2021. Okay, we can see the sales improved a lot from 863 crores to 1428 crores. Then it went up directly to 2209 crores. Then again it went up further to 2741 crores. So it is a rapidly expanding business and the sales are growing really in a very good manner. Okay, aggressive growth. Coming to operating profit, there also we are getting to see some good growth. 121 crores to 186, then to 223, then 319. Very good growth in operating profit as well. And operating profit margin has been kind of stable. Okay, somewhere around average will be around 12%. Okay, 11.5 to 12%, which is kind of average, and you can see it has maintained that kind of average since last we can say 12 to 13 years. Okay, so that is fine. No a major decline in operating profit margin or anything like that, so that's a good thing. Now let's check the earning per share growth. So if we check the last 4 years earning per share growth, we are getting to see a very good improvement from 1.74 to 3.16, then to 3.27, then 4.05. so a good growth in earning per share as well. Now let's check the shareholding pattern. Okay, so coming to shareholding pattern, we can see in March 2021 the promoters were holding 57.41%. Now they are holding 61.63%. So definitely there has been an improvement, and instead of comparing with the promoter holding of 2 to 3 years back, let's stick to last 3 quarters growth. Okay, there we can get an idea. So in June 2023, the promoters were holding 61.32. Then it was still 61.32 in September, but it went up to 61.63. That means definitely the business is about to do something big. That's why the promoters themselves are buying the stake. Okay, increasing their stake. Now coming to FIA is holding, okay, 1.94% to 2.23%, then 2.13%. So there has been an increase in this quarter, and it's very small decrease in December quarter, which is fine, acceptable. Now coming to DI is holding 1.23% to 1.26%, then 1.25%. Okay, just 0.01% decline in the last quarter. So I'd say the shareholding pattern is looking very good. Okay, it is stable. Okay, and in fact the promoters have increased their stake by around 0.3% in last quarter, and also the FIs and DIs have increased their stake in the last 3 quarters, if we see. Okay, although they have dropped very slightly in last quarter, but if you consider last 3 quarters, there has been an increase. So that's why the shareholding pattern is looking positive and looking strong. Okay, so definitely the smart money and the promoters themselves believe that the business is going to grow a lot and the share price is going to appreciate. That's why they're increasing the stake. Okay, so this is the fundamentals of Confidence Petroleum. The final picture is that this company has been growing very aggressively. The fundamentals are strong. Okay, and the shareholding pattern is also positive. Okay, it is giving a positive picture. Definitely based on fundamentals, it is an investment worthy company. Okay, now let's go to the price action part and decide if this is the right time to make an entry or not. And before going to price action, if you are watching the video so far, I request all of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. Right, now let's go to the price action. So this is the monthly price action of Confidence Petroleum. So let me first show you the key highlighting points. Okay, so this was the high here. Okay, let me just remind, this is monthly. Okay, this was the high here, the resistance level, which turned into support here. Okay, in May 2022, right? Then it started going up. Here there is again a support, again it is going up, and now here there is another higher high, higher low. Okay, and in this higher and higher high, higher low, we are getting to see one more resistance turning into support, which is this one. Okay, so that is the nearest one, we can say. So what I'm going to do is mark it. Okay, so I have marked this resistance which has turned into support, and also you can see this is the resistance zone here also. The price came down after coming to this place, and again it came down here. Now it has been broken and retested as well. Okay, this is the retest of the resistance, the support level, which was the resistance earlier, and the retest has been successful. Now the stock is starting to go up nicely. Okay, so one more line we are going to draw, which will be marking the nearest resistance level. I will mark this one in red. Okay, and here the picture is not clear. It will be clear when we go to the daily time frame. As of now, let it be there. We will start from this monthly and go to the daily time frame to get the final picture of the price action. Okay, so this is the monthly price action. Now let's check the momentum in monthly time frame using MACD and RSI indicator. Okay, so you can see the MACD indicator is clearly telling that the stock is in uptrend in monthly time frame, and the RSI indicator is also telling the same thing. It is staying above the moving average, and now it has gone up above the 60 level. Okay, here it went above the 60 level once, it came down, but it never went far below. Okay, it stayed there only, just slightly under 60. Now it has gone up again, and now the difference is in this 60 level breakout is that it has actually given a breakout in the price action as well. That's why it is important. Okay, and you'll get the clearer picture when we go to the weekly and daily time frame. So now let's go to the weekly time frame, and there we are going to check along with the momentum if there is any support of any major moving average or not. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and you can see the same picture that the stock has made this level its support. You can see the big wick in this candle, which is telling that the bullish pressure is very high. The stock went up here, again it came down, and now it never came down to this level. It stayed above there, and then there is a breakout here. Okay, of this level. This is 99.40. We can say 100 level. Okay, the 100 level breakout. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. Now let's check if there is support of any major moving average, and definitely we are going to start with the most famous and the most popular moving average, that is the 40 weeks or the 200 days moving average. Okay, here is the 200 days moving average, and you can see how beautifully this moving average is providing support to this stock multiple times, and in the third support it has given a breakout above this level. Okay, right. So now our job is to take a look at the volume. Okay, because if a breakout has occurred, then definitely it should be assisted by high volumes, else it could be a fake breakout. Okay, there is a possibility. So for these three big bullish candles, okay, although they are not very bullish, the body is small, but still we have to check the volume. If the volume is high, then this stock will definitely stay above this 100 level and give little bit of consolidation, might be to this level, and then start going up from here. This is very possible. So let's check the volume. I'll enable the volume, and you can see the three big volume bars, okay, increasing in size. Volume bars are increasing in size, and the price is also going up. So this is a clear indication of a actual breakout and not a fake breakout. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to observe the same price action in daily time frame. So let me go to the daily time frame, and here also I will enable the 40 weeks moving average equivalent, that is the 200 days moving average, and again we are getting to see the same thing. This black line is the 200 days moving average. Okay, 200 days moving average, and you can see how nicely it is providing support. Now along with this one, let me enable the 50 days moving average as well. Okay, and you can see the 50-day moving average assisted in this breakout here. Okay, and let's once check the volume in daily time frame also for the final confirmation. Okay, very good volume bars here, okay, during the day of the breakout and the following day. Okay, a clear indication of a actual breakout. Okay, now the question is, can you directly go and invest in this stock right now? The answer is yes, but you have to do it, you have to divide your investment strategy. So let me just tell you the best prices where you can buy this stock. Okay, in the in the higher time frame, definitely this is an investment worthy company. If you want to keep this company for 3 years, 5 years, then without doing any more analysis, you can invest right now. Okay, but you have to hold it for longer time. But if you want a better and accurate entry, and you do not want the daily consolidation phase, you do not want to be in the daily consolidation phase where the price will drop to 4 to 5%, then what you have to do, you have to buy the stock in this range. Okay, from 100 to 105, this region, there is a very chance the stock could come down to. Okay, and if it comes down, let's see what percentage that will be from the current price. The current price is 111.45. I will measure from here. Okay, 5%. So 5 to 8% drop it could give. Okay, but if you want to be on the safer side, then I would say invest 30 to 50% amount right now itself, and then when it comes to this level, 100 to 101 level, and shows some bullish price action here itself, there you buy the remaining amount that you have kept for this stock. Okay, that will be the best approach. And if you just want to repeat, if you do not want to get into so much of messy things and just want to invest in a good company and leave it because you are a long term investor, then without any deeper analysis, you can invest the 100% amount right now, no problem at all. Okay, so as this is done, let me just give you some targets. Okay, definitely people are looking for targets. So what I'm going to do, I have come to the weekly time frame. Now I'm going to give you some good targets for this stock. Okay, and these targets are mainly for swing traders. Okay, so I have used the high and low, so you can use this as the target. 1.414 level, 1.618 and the 2 level, these three are the target. So let me just tell the levels: 138, 148 and 165. These are the levels where you can take your profit if you are a swing trader. Okay, and for positional traders who actually want to hold the stock for a longer time, for them I would say the best thing that you can do is withdraw some of the amount, sell some of the units at 150 around. Okay, and then track the remaining amount as long as it stays above the 40 weeks moving average. Okay, unless and until the price is above the 40 weeks moving average, you do not have to sell the stock. Okay, because it could give a multi-bagger return definitely. When the moving average starts turning downward, 40 weeks moving average, and the stock stays below it, there you can sell the entire amount and get out of it completely. Okay, so that is the best profit taking approach for Confidence Petroleum, right? So that was all about Confidence Petroleum. To sum it up, the fundamentals are good, the company is growing aggressively, and the price action is already confirming that the breakout has occurred, and this is definitely a good time to make an investment in this stock for people who are interested in it. Okay, and also I have mentioned the profit targets. If you are a swing trader, then definitely follow the strategy and exit at the precise price levels, right? So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining this channel, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you can chat with me directly and also get more information about the breakout stocks, okay, which are worthy of buying, right? So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.